Welcome to the H series of webinars. This series is aimed at new and aspiring sheep producers to give them a step up into the Queensland sheep industry. This harvesting webinar is part 7 of the series and explores the basics of wool handling and clip preparation. This webinar was delivered by AWEX Wool Classer Registrar Fiona Raleigh on the 26th of August 2020. This is clip 5 of 10 and covers order of shearing.
Point number 2 for grower responsibility, and that's the order of shearing. Australian wool preparation is based on this concept called the mob concept. So that is that all sheep that have run together under 12 months and have had the same management and bloodline is the basis of uniform lines of sale wool. It's important for the grower to understand that for a classer to prepare wool correctly, the way that the mobs are presented can impact greatly on the lines that they make. So you might have bought-in sheep that have a different shearing time. Having those sheep drafted off is so important to the wool classer. Also, we might have issues of some mobs might be contaminated in that they haven't been crutched or they may be runs with. So it's important to make sure that the class is aware of any other issues that those mobs might have prior to being presented for shearing. So we actually have a breed sequence within the code of practice. So white wool low risk sheep are first, and the M stands for merino. And then we have our white wooled merinos that have been joined to terminal size, white wool sheep that have been marked as culls for pigmentation, crossbreds, and then our runs with and shetty breeds. So you can see that this sequence actually is all about contamination. It's about making sure that as we move through those lines that we're able to make a cutout so that we've got those more likely to be contaminated mobs drawn last. And then also within the breeds, we also have a mob sequence within the mobs of a breed. So if we're going to build lines across mobs, starting from youngest to oldest, we might be able to carry through our pieces and carry through our cast lines from each mob right through to the end. So for the classes to make the best ability to do line building, which means having multiple bales within a line rather than small lines of wool, which at a cost, presenting those sheep for shearing in a logical sequence is really important. And the best practice is from youngest through to oldest.
Thank you for watching this short clip. For more information, please visit www.leadingsheep.com.au.